Hello everyone, welcome to Math 115. I'll be your instructor for the course. My name's Professor McLaughlin. So this is a 6-week summer online course, and it's asynchronous, which means we do not have any scheduled class meetings. So let me explain a bit more. So there'll be lecture periods in this class, and during the lecture period you'll have 24 hours to work on the questions in the lecture. And our first lecture period will be on Monday, and it will be available from 12:01 a.m. up until midnight on Monday. Okay, so on lecture days I will be available on Zoom. If you want to ask me a question in person, I'll be available from 8 to 9 to answer your questions. You can also send me an email anytime, and I'll respond within a few hours. So here's a video tutorial on how you can access my online office hours. Okay, so here's my email. Okay, so all the material that you'll need for this course is available on Canvas for free, so there's no need to buy anything. Alright, let's see. Course description, I'll let you look at that. Attendance. Okay, so even though this class is online, I'll be still taking attendance every lecture period. So if you do miss 2 lecture periods, then I may drop you from the course. But it's your responsibility to drop if you stop showing up and you stop doing your work. Then don't assume that I will drop you. Make sure you drop yourself. So here's a video on how you'll sign in to each lecture. Okay, I'll let you look at that. Okay, so there's going to be quizzes in this class, and there's going to be a total of 13 quizzes. There's no makeup quizzes, but you can drop your lowest quiz score, and you'll have 24 hours to complete each quiz, and it'll be a 1% penalty for every minute your quiz is late. So here's a video tutorial on how you'll take the quiz. I'll let you look at that. And before each quiz, you'll have to submit a signed contract, saying that you will not cheat on the quiz. And here's a video tutorial on how you'll do that. So you need to submit the contract, before you take the quiz. And you have to do that for each quiz you take. Alright, so moving on. There'll be also assignments in this course. So the assignments are like homework or like little projects. So there'll be 13 assignments, and you'll have a few days to complete each assignment, and you can drop your lowest assignment score. And here's a video tutorial on how you'll access and do your assignments. And you can turn in your assignments late, but there'll be a 10% penalty for every day it's late. Alright. Grading is, so for grading here, the quizzes will account for 50% of the grade, and the assignments will account for 50% of the grade. So that's how you're going to earn your grade in this course, from your quizzes and assignments. Grading policy is just standard, you can look at that. Okay, tutoring services. So here's a link to the Learning Center. So if you need additional help, you can go to Learning Center and get help off the tutors. I recommend that you come to my office hours first, and then if you need additional help, go to the Learning Center and get help from the tutors. Alright. Study tips. So I recommend that you guys form study groups, and also that you do your classwork on a daily basis so you don't fall behind. Alright. So if you have a disability and need an accommodation to participate in this class, email me as soon as possible, and we can work something out. Okay, let me look at that. Important dates, I'll let you look at that. So here's the schedule here. Okay, so on Monday we'll have our first lecture period over the Module 1 material. And so you'll have 24 hours to work on that first lecture. And then Tuesday we'll have our second lecture. Then on Wednesday we'll have our first quiz and assignment. So you'll have 24 hours to complete the quiz and the assignment. Well, actually, the assignment, you can actually do it right now. It's available on Canvas, but it's due on Wednesday. Okay, then on Thursday we'll have our going over our second module, and then Friday we'll have our second quiz. So pretty much every week we'll have 2 quizzes and 2 assignments. And I try to spread out the material of the class so it's just Monday through Friday. And I've done that for all the weeks except the very last week where I had to go to a Saturday. So on our last day of class on the 26th, you'll have a quiz and assignment due on a Saturday, but all the rest of the weeks, it's just Monday through Friday. Okay, and at the end of a week, so on Friday here, I'll be posting the modules for the next week. So on Friday, I'll post module 3 and module 4, so you can start looking at those modules over the weekend, so you'll be ready for the next week. So I'll do that every week. I'll be posting the modules at the end, the new modules at the end of the week. Okay, so that's the main things about the course. All right, so I guess I'll see you guys in class then. All right, so see you.